Alright, today on Repairs 101 we've got part 3 of a series on more tips and tricks on how to make your old beater just a little bit sweeter. This episode of Repairs 101 is sponsored by Princess Auto. These are just some of the fine products that they carry that went into the making of this video and other videos like it. So I picked up this truck for $500 and I'm very slowly making small improvements all around it to improve its appearance and performance. Just to be clear, I'm not interested in restoring this truck, I'm just after making it better than it was. Typical of an old work truck, the driver's seat was worn right out.
Are we rolling, Jimmy? There it goes.
Now you'll just have to take my word for it, but it is like a new seat again. It's great. Okay, now to quiet this noisy tailgate, I took some refrigerator gasket that my neighbor gave me and mixed up some JB Weld. Now I picked up some basic bodywork tools, including this Paintless Dent Repair Tool Starter Kit. Now this dent took me about an hour to work out, and no, it's not perfect, but, full disclosure, this was my very first time attempting PDR, and my goal, again, is not to make it perfect, but to make it look better, okay? And I think I accomplished that. So I'll spend a little more time working this dent out, and there are a couple others around this side of the truck, but the truth of the matter is, it's a work truck. Okay, still to come, I've got to throw a tune-up at it, and I've got to do some fluid changes. I've ordered some winter tires that'll look fantastic. And among other things, there's this punched-out lock cylinder needs replacing, and the driver's side armrest door handle needs fixing. Okay, so hey, today on Repairs 101, this looks funny, but I'm trying out this new soundproof booth here that I made out of 4 pieces of carpet I picked up at Princess Auto.